Hello everybody, here is Mayflower hair. Today I would like to introduce our raw Indian hair to you. This raw Indian hair we source it from India temples. So each bundle we cut it from single donors. The color of natural hair, the Indian hair, we have natural brown and natural black. All the hair you can bleach to 613, we can guarantee that. And we didn't do any chemical process on the hair. It's just the shampoo smells. This is a straight 32 inches. You can see how the hair look like. It's very healthy and lasting. Then I can show you some natural wave. This is a 24-inch natural wave. Because it's from different people's heads, so the hair is, each bundle are different texture. All these two bundles you can see is natural wave, but this one you can see the curls is small, and this one a little bigger, and this one is just look like straight, just a slight wave. But we call all this natural wave. When we ship your goods, we will try our best to select the similar patterns for you. So if you like to change your color, you can tell us to choose this natural brown for you, because natural brown, it can more easy take colors. Then let's see some short ones. This is a 12-inch natural wave. So you can see here how many bundles we have. Each bundles are different. You can't find exactly same bundles from so many bundles. That's the special character for India hairs. So hope you can understand how Indian hair look like. We can guarantee it's raw, 100% raw. See our natural brown. This just look like colorful, and the curls is so nice. Okay, welcome to Mayflower hair. Next time I will introduce more hair to you. Thank you.